very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when dots of energy transform into wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, everything in existence is energy, not merely as a concept, but as a living principle in motion. Across the universe, energy expresses itself through rhythm, order, and transformation. Nothing remains static. Everything changes form, guided by time, shaped by space, and regulated by an underlying intelligence that ensures coherence rather than chaos. This intelligence does not act in fragments. It operates as a continuum from the vastness of cosmic motion to the subtleties of human thought. Time and space are not passive containers. They are active dimensions through which energy transforms, determining when change unfolds and how it takes shape. Within this grand design, the human being emerges not as an exception, but as a precise reflection of the same universal principles. Human life is powered by these same dimensions. The human system functions through energy, unfolds within space, and evolves through time. At the heart of this system lies a remarkable endowment, the brain, not merely a biological organ, but a dynamic regulator capable of learning, adapting, integrating, and evolving. Through this capacity, humans do more than survive their environment. They influence it, reshape it, and at times elevate it. Every transformation begins at a fundamental level with dots of energy. These dots arrive through the senses: light, sound, touch, movement, silence. Apparently insignificant individually, but collectively hugely powerful. From the earliest moments of life, existence becomes an ongoing exchange between incoming energy and internal processing. The brain receives these dots, decodes them, and distributes them as thought, intention, action, memory, reflection, and learning. At a deeper level, these dots of energy are informational units. They initiate biochemical and bioelectrical processes, activating neural pathways and internal responses. The brain functions as a central translator, coordinating inputs, regulating responses, and maintaining systemic balance. Yet, information alone does not create wisdom. As knowledge accumulates, the brain possesses the capacity to synthesize, that is, to integrate experience beyond data. This synthesis does not occur in noise or haste. It emerges in silence, in stillness, in reflection, the states when the system enters communion rather than consumption. At this threshold, knowledge encounters an inner compass, a subtle guidance system aligned with a deeper intelligence. Here, discernment arises naturally. Fact from distortion, right and wrong, truth and illusion, dharma and deviation. This inner compass is not externally imposed. It is activated through alignment. It draws energy from the human dynamos, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational, working in synchrony. When aligned with cosmic intelligence, this compass directs how energy is interpreted, how thought is shaped, and how action is expressed constructively, purposefully, and progressively. Everything here is energy in motion. The dots of energy matter. The brain's capacity to process them matters. The quality of internal energy matters the most. When energy is scattered, reactions dominate. When energy is regulated, responses emerge. When energy is elevated, actions become coherent and wise. Allowing dots of energy into the brain is not passive reception. It is the beginning of awareness. It teaches observation with attention, listening with patience, and responding with clarity rather than reacting with impulse. As the internal energy state rises, the ability to use information, knowledge, and wisdom refines. Higher coherence leads to clearer perception. Clearer perception leads to wiser choices. Wiser choices lead to resonance within the individual and across the environment. What's the way forward? The journey then is not one of accumulation but of alignment. From awareness to communion, from information to understanding, from knowledge to wisdom, from intention to action, in rhythm with time and space. Training, practice, regularity and rhythm allow the human system to remain tuned. In such alignment, energy flows without friction and intelligence expresses itself naturally through action. Each dot of energy, however small, becomes an opportunity. Handled consciously, it shapes not only the individual but the quality of life around them. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when action flows from inner alignment and intelligence guides effort without attachment, energy reaches its highest expression. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, a timeless clarity comes from Lord Krishna. Established in inner balance, perform action, releasing attachment. In this wisdom, dots of energy become knowledge. Knowledge matures into wisdom, and wisdom expresses itself as conscious, harmonious action. And when such action flows, life itself becomes the living proof of how dots of energy transform into wisdom. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.